Hello and welcome to another exciting topic. Today we'll be discussing Tableau Public versus Tableau Desktop. A lot of are the one that consultant, analyst, and business settings use Tableau Desktop, and Tableau Public is more of a for students and anyone that wants to practice. So for Tableau Public, it's free. Anyone can use it, and anyone can create a public page, which I'll show you in a minute. And so some of the difference that you know Tableau Public have is lack of connectors. You know, it doesn't include most data connectors, and it does not connect to any database major platform, and it needs to be saved online. So for instance, you have I actually downloaded Tableau Public, which is this. So you cannot save this locally. It has to be saved online, so which I'll show you that in a minute as well. And so for this, your dashboard, your story, your workbook, whatever you're making, it's going straight to the internet. So whatever work you're doing, if you're a student, you're working on a project, it's going straight on, online, and no integration with Tableau server. This Tableau Public is technically Tableau's own public version of Tableau server, so you don't have the ability to publish your work. So let's go and check the public page. So this is where you'll be downloading your public page. So if you want to take a look at my profile, so anytime I have been working on any whiz or creating any project or doing work on my own, I have been saving it directly here. So for instance, one of my projects that I did at SMU, I actually created the sheets and saved it. It's pretty awesome. You can see the entire work on your public page, and any of the recruiter or any person that's reaching out to you, they can actually see your work. It's a plus point, but um, but if you have sensitive information, make sure you don't save it on public, Tableau Public. You have other advantage. You can take a look at the authors, their work, what they have been doing in community, and then you can also look at the gallery. You can do whiz of the day. Um, Depending on each day, you can actually take this topic, what Americans think about abortion, something that's happening in Texas. So you can actually take this and you can create it your way. So it's a good practice. I feel this have helped me a lot. And let's go back to a difference. Another, let's take a look at the other differences of Tableau Desktop. For Tableau Desktop, you'll have to pay $70 per month. Again, it's more professional analyst user. You can use it, but you'll have to pay. Additional connections that it connects to major databases such as MySQL, Amazon, Postgres, SQL Server, Google, and so on. Whereas Tableau Public, you can't connect to these. You only connect to, Excel or CSV, type of basic stuff. But ability to save locally, this is something that I miss since I have Tableau Public. You can save it. Again, if you have sensitive information, you're a consultant and you are working on a project, I think this would be your best bet. And so let's take a look at more security. Since Tableau Desktop can be saved locally, you have ability to keep the dashboard in a secure place. And Tableau Public cannot publish work onto Tableau server or Tableau online, while Tableau Desktop can. So overall, you know, for Tableau Desktop, if you are a professional data analyst or consultant, I would highly suggest you go with Tableau Desktop. But if you're a student, I would, suggest that you create a profile just like this. It's just like GitHub. You show your work to recruiters, companies, big companies also like looking at your work. You can also discuss your projects, the hands-on projects you have been doing. Um, and I think this is pretty cool if you're a starter. So this would be a great way to, impress your recruiters, someone that you're a good company that you're applying for. So you can discuss more in detail. You can open it up, or any courses that you're taking, you can actually publish um, all your work over here. So whereas Tableau Desktop, um, you can have a 14 days trial, and you can play around with it. With this, you'll get live and extract option, which is my next topic for the next video. So I will be discussing that in the next video. And also, if you're going for your Tableau Desktop certificates, this should be your best option. So you can actually download this, and then you can go through your data set, whatever data set that you have. You can create, you can actually, this is public, but just in case, I'll show you that most of the certificate, um, the people that are taking those tests, they are using Sample Superstore, and you can connect and start playing around with it. Um, you can start creating different with, there are so many different questions related to the exam. So I think if you are going for the test and you are a professional, so this should be your next option. I'll download this as well, and I'll show you the live and extract of this. And I guess this is it. This is the difference between Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much and have a great day.